Welcome to MarineMax Maryland. Today we have our 2015 Regal 35 Sport Coupe. This is a MarineMax owned trade. Customers upgraded to a larger boat. Let's check it out. Starting on the back of the boat, here on the transom, large swim platform, engine hatch rotates up, and you have your diesel powered. This is a diesel powered Volvo Penta D3s with the joystick. Storage under the aft sun pad. This is a brand new aft canvas for this year. Customer just had it done before trading in the boat. This whole section will extend. So here's in the forward position, and then it rotates out to about there, giving you that much more room in the cockpit. We'll show that in a second. As you step into the boat, you got the seagrass matting, carpet down. You have an aft bench that rotates back and forth. Very nice, pristine teak table here in the cockpit. And then let's show this button here. Press this, and then the whole aft seating section pulls out. Very quiet. It gives you a lot more entertaining space here in the back of the boat. So that's a solid 3 or 4 feet. And as you can see, coming into the boat, much more room. So love that from Regal. Over here on the starboard side, entertainment station, grill, dedicated trash can, and then a freshwater sink. And right above me is a drop-down TV. So, watching the game, watching the news. Very nice feature. Moving forward, up at the helm, a couple of additions. It's a brand new Garmin chart plotter, just put in this year. Of course, you have your Volvo Penta docking system, throttle binnacle, and then autopilot was also installed on this boat. So almost a brand new suite of electronics. VHF radio, Fusion stereo headset. These are your Volvo Penta engine screens. And then switches and gauges on the dash, hatch lift, sunroof. So this whole sunroof here will come back, and then you have the center section here that will open up to access the bow. Dedicated storage for your table. Stores right in there conveniently when you don't have it in the out position. Heading downstairs in the Regal 35 Sport Coupe. So this is a very large forward cabin. It sleeps at least 4 adults. This forward section rotates up with your bunk actuator button there, so it gives you a little bit more leg room when you're going down at night. This seat rotates up, and then that folds out for extra sleeping space. And then of course in the back here you have a nice aft midship cabin with the TV, hull windows, and then your galley, cooktop, microwave, storage options, freshwater sink. The condition of this boat is immaculate for a 2015. And then finally in your head, a full standing mirror with shower. Again, in great condition. Hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough. If you've got any questions on this boat, my name is Perry. Work at MarineMax in Kent Island, and you can reach us at 410-732-1260.